Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and we have some breaking news today, but you guys gotta follow me. We gotta go this way, We're almost there, don't worry. Check this out. So there it is, you guys. Yes, you saw correctly. Samsung has officially released an announcement date for their Unpacked event for the Samsung Galaxy S10. And this is going to take place in San Francisco, California. And it's only 1 week before Mobile World Congress. So they're not waiting until Mobile World Congress. They are going to announce this devices, or should I say these devices, 1 week early. So we do know a total of 3 models will be released. The 5.8-inch Galaxy S10 Lite, the 6.1-inch Galaxy S10, and the 6.4-inch Galaxy S10 Plus. And there is also going to be a 5G variant as well. So that makes 4 in total. It's the first flagship with the Infinity O display, the first with an in-display fingerprint sensor, the first Samsung device with 5G. And not only that, but this lineup expects multiple cameras to come to the device. And also a dual front camera on the Galaxy S10 Plus. So there it is, you guys. I just wanted to share this breaking news. This gets me super excited because February 20th is right around the corner. It's next month. It's going to be here in my state. Well, I'm actually in Las Vegas right now, but yes, it's going to be in my state of California. So hopes are very high for me attending the Unpacked event. I'm really hoping I can make it to that. I am super excited. I've been dying to find out when they were actually going to unveil the devices, but now we have a definite date, a definite place. So I can't wait. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Does this get you more excited now that we know when this device is going to be released and where? Let me know down in the comment sections below. You guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video and if it helped you out, if you like the news, make sure you leave a thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any videos to come. You guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.